So we're kicking things off for the 2026 Winter Expo here at Randolph Farm with VSU. We did farm tours this morning. I think we had a great turnout, got to see what VSU has to offer. So now we're getting ready to start doing some workshops this evening and learn more about VSU and kind of the urban ag work that they do. We have some workshops planned. We have a safety demonstration from Steel. They're going to come show us how to be safe with chainsaws. I think that'll be good. We have Colonial Farm Credit and Virginia Fairs are going to be here. We have kind of 3 different tracks. We'll have a business track, Farm Bureau 101 track, and a collegiate track, so that people can find whichever track best suits them and hopefully find something good from each workshop.
We got a chance to go down to Richmond to the new Patrick Henry building, meet some of the new governor's new cabinet, and hear from them and all the great things they had going on. I don't think there's a lot of organizations that's going to put 20-year-olds right in front of the Secretary of Agriculture. So, you know, having that opportunity to get in front of those people and be able to ask questions and voice your concerns about things that are happening back home on your farm and your operation.
Just getting everybody involved, the young guys, getting them away from the farm, away from work here and there, where they can get together and see how everybody else across the state does things. It's only my second one, but I mean, I can see where it makes a big difference, you know, really helpful to the guys to get out and just meet each other. We got to keep this thing going. We have a wonderful organization, but we need the young people to be coming along to keep it going. Without Farm Bureau, it couldn't be done.
Definitely hope everybody leaves with something, you know, some knowledge that they gained from the workshops, but I think ultimately it's just getting everybody together from across the state, kind of building that networking and helping people get involved with Farm Bureau and seeing what all Farm Bureau has to offer and what they can take away from it, and hopefully eventually bring back to it as well.